Alright, traders. Quick little market update from me this morning. I'm not going to be doing my whiz bang magic videos, screen videos today. I'm just going to give you like a little screen cam today right now. Back from the gym, if you watched my video before from the gym, and getting ready for the day. So really excited. I'm about to go on a holiday today and for the next couple of days anyway. So I'm finish off with some business first, and then I'm going to go away as well too. So just let you know, guys, that if you can see there, I am 6 days into my 90-day challenge. Every day I'm doing my 90-day challenge. So anyway, so I want to give you an update on some things that I've done this morning, guys, and I want to share with you what I'm looking at and what I'm doing and stuff like that. So it's really I think I just want to share with you what I'm doing. So first thing I do say, guys, before I say anything, trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. If I'm going to tell you some trades I got into today myself, it does not mean you should get into some trades, the same trades yourself, okay? It does not mean that, period. Do not do that, okay? Do not. It's important that you understand this one thing, okay? Do not, you only take the trade if you're happy with the risk management, you have good money management, so on and so forth, okay? Because these trades may not make profit. Anyway, let me get into what I've done today. I rolled over my current VIX and I bought a lot more VIX where it is right now. Okay, so the VIX-X, the volatility index where it is right now, current price around, it's actually $12.46. I've got about 10 minutes of market left open. I bought some more. I rolled all my VIX over to that, which are on a small loss because of the time decay. It wasn't a big loss, but a small loss, and they're all in the money options. And I bought a lot more VIX as well too. So I bought all of them and I rolled them over to, and again, they're in the money options. So so I did that this morning, guys, and really excited about the VIX. And again, and their December expiration. So I'm pretty confident they're going to work out quite well. So, and yes, I do have about altogether, guys, I have on the VIX right now a multiple six-figure position, or I have that on right now. I don't have a multiple six-figure position short on the market. No, but some people think I do. I do have a multiple six-figure. I've over a couple of $100,000 on the VIX right now in combined. So just let you guys know, I'm just being completely honest with you guys. So who knows what's going to happen with it, but that's the sort of money that I've got on there. Plus I've got my silver trade as well too. And then so I did that. And let's see what else. Let me talk about, and also SLV. I also bought a lot more, way out of the money, like far out of the money, way out of the money, really cheap call options on SLV expiring next year. So, and the reason why I did that is because I'm fairly confident over the next 12 months we're going to get a spike. We're going to get a spike in the metals, and I believe because we're going to see a lot more havoc. So within that, I bought way out of the money options. So as you know, guys, I already have trades going on with the SLV. I bought more SLV today, just looking at the pattern, looking at gold. The SLV looks like it may want to pull back, but silver price is holding strong where it is right now, and the gold price is holding a bit strong as well too. I'm expecting gold to turn around in the next couple of days, and that's probably going to push up the metals as well too. So I don't really care about the timing, guys. I don't really care about the timing with the SLV trade. This particular trade, because it's way out of the money, and again, that's way out of the money, so I could lose 50% overnight. I'm not really focused on that. All I'm worried about is where is it in December this year? That's all I care about, is where is silver in, where is the SLV price in December this year? If put it this way, if SLV is at its highs at December this year, if SLV does, or if silver makes a new high this year, if that is, and if all hell breaks loose, if silver makes a new high this year, it's going to be a multiple 7-figure payday for me. That's the sort of money that I have on this particular trade. So I'm just going to leave it at that, okay? And guys, I'm not bragging to you guys. I'm just sharing with you guys that I'm a big trader, right? I'm a trader. I get in, I get out. I trade these markets, and when I'm really confident in a position, I trade it heavily as well too, like the VIX. How can you not be confident in the VIX and silver? You know what I mean? So, and so I've done that there. So looking at the markets, guys, and looking at the way that the markets are acting right now, pretty much a nothing day. There was, and so pretty much nothing day. Before I'm going to share some stocks with you in a minute. But guys, it's important for you guys to understand. Some of you guys saying, why did I put more money on the VIX and SLV and stuff like that? Guys, it's all and not much money on options on the market and so on and so forth. Guys, here's the thing, okay? Here's the important thing. If the reason why I was happy to put a lot more money on say the VIX and a lot more money on say silver is, one, the VIX has a major floor there, hardly ever goes below 11. So knowing that, I'm okay, it can't go too low, so my risk is not too low if I buy in the money options. So I'm happy to put a lot more money on. That's why I have over a couple of $100,000 on one trade alone. Silver, why was I happy with that? One, because it just makes sense. Time of crisis, that thing's going to explode. Secondly, you're actually going with a trend, so you're trading with a trend. So I'm happy putting a lot more money on that, trading with a trend. If I'm short in the market right now, what am I doing? I'm going against the trend, right? The overall trend for the last couple of months has been up. So I'm going against the overall trend. So I'll be going smaller positions, and then if the trend starts to pick up, then I'll start to place some bigger positions. Make sense? So I hope that makes sense to you guys. So anyway, guys, so quickly look through some stocks here. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm just going to like Apple. I'm still waiting for Apple to turn around for me to get into a short-term trade with that. Adobe, again, I'm still waiting for Adobe to turn around. I'm still looking for a short-term put option for that. ALXN, same, looking for more put options on that one. I'm looking for a good entry on that one. Still haven't got into that one. All of these stocks I'm about to tell you, I'm looking for puts. I'm looking for I'm looking for an entry. Hasn't confirmed yet, so maybe next week. CHKP, looks like it may be confirming today, but not yet. DISCK, it looks like it could be confirming today, but I'm not happy with that one. Google, same thing. One stock I do like is GRA. Just like that pattern. Again, for put options, downside, short term. Same with the McDonald's. I like that. And REGN was one that I didn't like yesterday because I was the support level. You can see what happened today. It was up. It was up 2.3%. So I'm really happy that I stuck to my rules and I didn't get into that. So there we go, guys. I don't know what's going to make money, and I don't know what's going to do well. So I'm just trading the market the way that I see it and the way that I see fit. And I see right now silver, guys. Silver for me is a big play for me because I just see not only this year but the next couple of years. I just see silver. Silver is the most underrated metal out there. Silver should be trading at like 90 or something like that right now. If once they let the manipulation go on and they really start to pump it up, this thing is gonna. I see, as Bo Polly says, 3-digit silver, and I really do see that because it's just, if you look at it as a fundamental where fair value is, it's around 90, 100 anyway. So guys, that's the reason why I'm heavily in that. The VIX right now is at its lowest point it hardly ever goes to, so it doesn't go much lower than it is right now before it starts to at least retract back up to 20. So that's why I like VIX where it is right now. And there we go. So there we go, guys. There's some trades for me. I don't know, guys. The big numbers I'm telling you right now, I don't know which trades I'm going to work up. So I'm being smart about my trading opportunities as well too, and what I'm doing there. And I'm happy with the risk that I have. Okay. But the risk that I have, the larger trades like the VIX and so on and so forth, they're much lower risk. They're much less risk than all the other ones out there. So, and you've got to be smart about your trading decisions. Again, I don't know which one's going to play out because no one knows what's going to happen. But I'm trading right now. I'm putting positions on, and I'm letting you guys know, and you guys are going to hear it first. If silver by the end of December is like in the mid 40s, I'm going to have a multiple 7-figure payday. That's just what it is. It may not happen. I don't know. But I do have all these other positions I'm looking to get into as well too. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. We'll see what happens. It could be a good end of the year for me. My goal is $3 million profit by the end of this year. Let's see what happens. It may be silver and all these other trades I got going. But once again, guys, I'm not saying these big numbers to impress you or whatever, because I'm not. I'm just trying to show you guys that I do trade this market quite heavily and quite a lot as well too. And you know, and I have big targets and so on and so forth. And again, and no one knows what's going to happen. Again, I could be stopped out in silver. I could lose money in silver. You know, the VIX could just go sideways for quite some time, and I could get stopped out, and I could lose on these trades. That's the risk you take. But I have a higher probability of these things working out over the next 6 months, and that's what these trades are. The VIX and the VIX and the silver trade, they're like, what's going to happen? What's going to happen from now through to the end of December? That's what I care about with those trades, and that's all I really care about. And same with some other trades as well too. So, anyway, guys, hope this really helps you out. Remember, success can be yours if you go climb it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.